thinking it would be a bit dangerous trying to come in the St. Augustine Inlet with winds blowing in the mid to upper 20s, and sure enough, one boat ran afoul of that about the time we would have been getting in. So anyway, we're here. This is Friday evening. We're staying tonight and tomorrow night, and leaving Sunday, but it looks like the wave conditions are going to make it a bit chancy to go offshore from here, so we're thinking that Sunday we'll be doing a ICW run, possibly down to New Smyrna Beach, the Ponce de Leon inlet area, and if the waves die down some, we'll duck out there the next day and go offshore, but otherwise we'll keep in the ICW and work our way down Florida. But anyway, as I said, yeah, the wind is only getting huffier, and it's supposed to be gusting up to 47 knots actually within the next half hour through prediction is from 8 o'clock this evening until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, gusts to 47, and so should be an interesting and rolly evening. All right, this has gone a bit longer than I intended, but thought y'all would get a kick out of seeing what's going on. I don't know whether you can see the waves beating against the breakwater there at the marina, but they're really rolling through, smashing against them, and I'm glad that breakwater is there. The current really rips through here to start with, but I was in the slip over here where this Power Cat is on my way down in 2018, and I had a heck of a time getting out of that slip, as I recall. So I'm hoping that Sunday morning things will have calmed down tremendously, and we won't have such a hard time getting out of here. Anyway, I think tomorrow we're gonna maybe get an Uber over to a grocery store. There aren't any close by within easy walking distance, and pick up a few things, since it looks like we're going to be kind of going Anchorage to Anchorage for a while. All right, that's all I have for now. I hope everyone's doing okay, and if you get any enjoyment or benefit out of these videos, then please hit the subscribe button, and not that I'm getting any money or anything from these things, but who knows. Anyway, that's all for now.